and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to turn off your Android phone without using the power button, in today's video, we will be guiding you through some process in order to do so. So, without any delay, let's just start. The first thing we can do is we can use the quick settings panel available. So, you can scroll down the quick settings panel available on your screen completely to fully open up the quick settings panel, and you should be finding a power option in the top right corner of your screen, often located in the bottom right or the top right of the panel. So you can tap on that option, and once you do so, a menu appears on your screen. You can basically go ahead and tap on the option of power off, and that should completely turn off your Android phone without accessing any kind of buttons like your volume or your power button on your phone. The next thing we can use the accessibility menu. So we can enable the accessibility menu in our phone setting. Head over to settings and open up your device's settings. From there, you may just scroll down and go ahead and find the option for accessibility. It should be right under general management. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and go to interaction and dexterity and go ahead and turn on the assistant menu. So turn it on and tap on allow. And once you do so, you will be finding a button available on your screen, the on-screen shortcut. So you can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should be finding option when you swipe right, a power off menu. So go ahead and tap on power off menu, and that should allow you to have a power off menu on your screen. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the power off option, and that will completely go ahead and turn off your Android phone without using any kind of button. So these are the methods available if you'd like to turn off Android without using any kind of button. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down below.